Independence Day. We are celebrating nation's 73rd Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August every year. It is the nation's independence from British rule. It is a national holiday. Prime Minister of the country whose flag at the Red Fort, New Delhi. Now let us watch the story of Independence Day.
Shiv is walking around in the market with his mother and father. He is shopping for Independence Day function in his school. He needs a white shirt and shoes. Ma, where are you going? Shivs, I'm going to get the uniform for you. You go with your father and buy some flags. You need it for your dance performance tomorrow? Yes, I need flags, but I don't want to. Come, Shivs, there's a shop where we will get flags. Before Shivs could say anything, his father starts walking ahead and mother is busy in another shop. Shivs follows father. Should we buy 5 flags? Actually, father, I don't. Why don't we buy 2 small flags, 2 sticker flags, and just 1 big flag for our house? What do you think? How about only the big one for the house? Father looks shocked. Shivs has always been excited about shopping for Independence Day, and this time he wasn't. What's wrong, child? You always like buying flags on Republic Day and Independence Day. Shivs is hesitating. His mother also comes there. Tell me. Yes, father, I like buying flags. The Tiranga is so colorful and pretty, and so many people buy it on Independence Day. But on the next day, they all forget the flag and throw it off. It really makes me sad. So this year, I won't buy a flag, but I will collect every flag I see lying down. Wow, Shivs, this is so mature of you. Yes, we are so proud of you. Hearing this, the shopkeeper gives Shivs a small flag for free. We are all proud of you. You truly respect the nation. Happy Independence Day, Shivs.
Nice story it was. Right, children? We shall respect our nation and national flag. Now, let us watch the song with our little kids.
We are Indians. We are Indians, bold and free. We'll guard our lovely country. We are Indians, bold and free. We'll guard our lovely country. We salute our flag with love and pride, and sing Jana Gana Mana standing side by side. We salute our flag with love and pride, and sing Jana Gana Mana standing side by side. We are Indians, bold and free. We are Indians, bold and free. We are Indians, bold and free. We'll guard our lovely country. We are Indians, bold and free. We'll guard our lovely country. We salute our flag with love and pride, and sing Jana Gana Mana standing side by side. We salute our flag with love and pride, and sing Jana Gana Mana standing side by side. We are Indians, bold and free. We are Indians, bold and free.
Hope so you enjoyed the song. Happy Independence Day, everyone.